Hi guys, if you are a Facebook user and you need to make your post and photos more private, you can actually use a Facebook feature called lock your profile. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. So let's go. So to turn on the lock your profile feature on Facebook, first of all, just open your Facebook app, and from there just click the three lines which you can see in the upper right corner, and from there just go to your profile. You can see here, see your profile, just click there, and from there just click the three dots, and from there you can see an option called lock profile. Just click it, and here you can actually see all you have to do is just click the lock your profile. If you just click the learn more in help center, you can actually see what happens when you lock your profile. So you need to get to the detail of it. Just click that and then just click lock your profile, and I'm currently locked my profile. And so to unlock my profile, just use the same method. Just click the three dots and just click unlock profile, and just click unlock and click unlock your profile. So I just unlocked my profile. So I hope it is helpful for you guys, and see you guys on the next video.